Ohora just gifted me their semi-cured gel nails along with their gel lamp, and I am so excited to put this to the test. And here they are. They come in a ton of colors. I'm going to try this very inviting ivory color to start, and all I'm going to do is almost treat these like press-ons, where I'm going to find the right size and stick them on to my nails once my nails are properly prepared. And then I can trim them down while they're still soft and then harden them at the end with the gel nail lamp. Now, there are a few tricks to this that I'm going to put to the test as well, since this is my first time doing it. Let's see how well this turns out. Let's go. Now, first things first, let's check out this gel lamp. It should be really sleek. It is so minimalist, and it really is just this pop-up LED lamp that is so great. It's definitely something you could throw in your bag. On the back, it just has the power button and the USB-C port. Right here, it has a USB-C to USB-A cord, and this part is ready to go. Now, my nails aren't the prettiest right now, so this is a perfect time to do this. You get all of your stickers, and keep in mind that while it does look like these are both going up from small to large, they are actually different sizes. This one is more narrow than this one, so these all are slight variants on each other. You really get a lot to choose from here and make it work. And then you get 2 nail prep pads, and then you get the wooden cuticle pusher and a nail file. Now, when you get to the adding nails part, these really are like floppy stickers. They're covered in plastic, and then once you get that plastic cover off, you can kind of play with them and figure out what's best for each nail. And then once you get it on, you really can just rub it to make sure it's perfectly in place. Now, once you have them all on, they really do look silly, and they feel like you just have funny floppy stickers on your nails. And now is the time where you can trim them down and get them to better shape. Obviously, once they're hard, you can trim them more, but the more you can do now, the easier it'll be later. So I'm going to trim these down with some nail clippers. Now, my quick cuts aren't looking the best, but that's okay because I can trim these down more. But what I'm loving right now is that I can shape these to whatever shape I want, and they're basically nail extensions and gel nails in one. That is just really, really cool. Let's put these under the lamp. Now, the lamp doesn't turn on like I expected. You do have to press it each time, and then you just put your hand under and give it the time it needs. And now the nails are hard. That is so cool. And they definitely are to the shape I made them. So now I can sand them down. They're going to be much easier to shape and file and just get them exactly how I want them. And here they are. That is pretty wild. They definitely extended my super short nail to match the rest of my nails, and they really are hard and sturdy, and I can shape these more as I want to. One thing I'd point out off the bat is this is a very bright white color, which is not normally my color range for my nails. I usually like the more natural pinks or maybe a French manicure. But what's so cool about ohora is that they have so many variations, including ones that have nail art and add-on gel diamonds, all sorts of really cool things. Now, I am going to add a little more to this by adding a mixture of top gels, glitter, and gloss. So let me do that real quick. Now, for my first try, I am so impressed with these, and I know I'll only get better as I do them more and more. They are incredible. What I think I love the most is that they are fully customizable. So if you wanted them extra long or really short or a different shape, you can make these be whatever you want them to be. And since the ohora semi-cured gel nails come in such a variety of different colors and styles, patterns, gel art, you can really have what looks like high-end professional nails done at home. I'm also really excited to see how the removal process is on these, since it is one clean nail and ohora provides a paint-on nail remover. These should be much, much kinder to my nails when it's time to remove them. And finally, since they are gel nails, they are far, far more durable and longer lasting than plastic press-ons. So if you are looking for some really impressive gel sticker nails that you can do at home with ease, I think you're gonna love the ohora semi-cured gel nails. So cool.